Are you looking for the best metal detectors? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Minelab Vanquish 440 Metal Detector. Because it's a multi-frequency detector, the Minelab Vanquish 440 works well in any terrain with minimal fussing. I was able to use it at the park and at the beach, even on wet sand. It was easy to adjust the default find modes to optimize for specific conditions, leading me to find a child's toy buried 6 inches deep in the surf. It's not the most compact detector on our list, but it's easy to handle. And relying on disposable AA batteries, while not environmentally friendly, is more convenient when you're using your detector and need to top up. My only knock against the Vanquish 440 is that it comes with a very flimsy pair of headphones, which broke the first time I used them. That's not a huge loss though. Many of the detectorists I know prefer to connect their own headphones, and even an inexpensive pair will do. In the end, this is a dynamic, accurate detector and relatively affordable, to boot. Number 2. Nokta FindX Pro Metal Detector. Since I primarily spoke with experts and enthusiasts, the Nokta FindX Pro was not remotely on my radar when I first began my research. But it may just be the best option for new detectorists looking to dip a toe into the hobbyist pool. It's an all-in-one kit, complete with an effective digging tool, a nice duffel bag, and decent headphones, all for less than $200. While it is not as accurate as my other recommendations, it's a more than capable VLF detector. I was able to find items at both parks and beaches, though I noticed that its performance really suffered on wet sand and underwater. Its compact frame and adjustable handle make it accommodating to a wider-than-average range of newcomers, including kids and adults. If you're interested in the hobby and don't want to spend too much to try it, the FindX Pro is a great fit for beginners. Number 3. Nokta Simplex Lite Metal Detector. The Simplex line is often recommended by experts as a good entry point for new detectorists. Nokta is one of the 2 biggest brands in the metal detecting game, the other is Minelab, and the Simplex Lite is a strong, basic VLF detector. I found it had top-notch discrimination, plenty of fine modes, and a good coil size that easily found my testing materials and led me to beer cans, aluminum foil, and plenty of other objects on the beach. Because this is a single-frequency VLF detector, it doesn't perform as well as the Vanquish 440, especially on the mineralized sand at saltwater beaches. It's still a very capable machine though, even more so if you're searching for a specific type of item, particularly coins and jewelry. Though it offers fewer customization options than its more expensive multi-frequency counterparts, it's also much easier to pick up and use as a newcomer. For those who are looking to spend a bit more, you can upgrade to the Nokta Simplex BT, which adds Bluetooth support, or the Simplex Ultra, which gives you precision detector tools like target ID scale and depth. Number 4. Minelab Equinox 900 Metal Detector. The Minelab Equinox 900 is the most feature-rich metal detector I tested. From the second I picked it up, I could tell that it would be a cut above the rest. The build quality is noticeably better than other, less expensive models I tested. It just feels more substantial. Its features and performance back up that first impression. The Equinox 900 consistently performed better than its less expensive counterparts, as well, pinpointing targets precisely and identifying both their depth and target ID. Though I was able to find my planted targets with every detector, the Equinox 900 directed me precisely to all 3, making the process quicker and easier in both dry and wet sand. It also features a number of settings and tools that improve the detecting experience, including 6 customizable frequency settings, an easy-adjust handle, and Bluetooth support so you can use wireless headphones. All that customization is incredible if you're an expert. I personally had more success using the pre-made settings, but I can see detectorists like Lubert fine-tuning searches to great effect. I was especially taken with its hand grip vibration feature, which gives you a rumbling haptic response when the Equinox picks up a target. It's a great way to get your attention in a loud area, if you're hearing impaired, or if you're just on a long walk and not paying close attention. Personally, I found it very helpful while roaming some very popular stretches of Miami's beaches. Number 5. Minelab Manticore Metal Detector. While I wasn't able to get it in for this round of tests, Lubert recommended the Minelab Manticore for expert detectorists looking for the ultimate metal detector experience. He says it can visualize the ground beneath it in a 2D map, directing you to finds with depths and ID targets. It should work well in any terrain, including underwater, and has the most advanced backlight of any Minelab machine. Plus, with 10 search modes, there are many options for veteran detectorists looking to optimize for a specific type of search. The price is substantial, but if you're willing to spend this much money on a detector, I'm confident that it will be worth it.